Righto, gonna make one of my favourite steaks. It's a ribeye steak. Got a beautiful ribeye. It's already been trimmed. It's got some good marbling in there, and obviously we've taken it down to the bone so you can nice handle. What I'm gonna do on this one is I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil just as a binder. I'm gonna use some of our Big Dog Spices SPG. And I really love this rub because it's got nice coarse pepper and garlic in it. That makes it really good on the ribeye. So generous coating all the way around. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the smoker. We're gonna reverse sear it. So we're gonna smoke it at about 250 degrees Fahrenheit with some hickory wood until it gets to about a medium rare, so about 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. And then we're gonna sear it on the camping fire. So I'm gonna monitor it with the Meter Plus, and we've got it set up on my phone so we can see exactly how it's going. Okay, let's put that on the Weber. We'll come back in about 30 to 40 minutes when the thermometer hits temperature, and we'll take it out. So we're about to remove our ribeye off the smoker. It's now showing me it's at 55 degrees Celsius, so it's definitely at a medium rare, and once I sear it, it's going to be a nice medium. So let's take it off. So before we go into the barbecue, I'm just going to remove the thermometer. Okay, so we can just put that onto the camping grill to sear it. And we really want to just do this about a minute each side, just to really get a nice sear on the outside. And what it's going to do is bring it up to a nice medium temperature as well. There's no real need to rest it after because it has been slow cooking, so it really should be well rested already. Okay, so that's about 45 seconds to a minute on this side. You see the nice sear there, and really that should be done. The fat renders down perfectly, and that should be good to go. So we'll just take it off now and get it ready for slicing and eating. There we go. Reverse seared ribeye on the Weber, smoked first and then over coals to get a nice good sear.